Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making easy peasy chicken cordon bleu. Let's know the ingredients. We'll need 350 grams of chicken breast fillet, 100 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, some shredded mozzarella, some cheddar cheese slices, some extra salt for seasoning, some extra black pepper for seasoning, quarter cup of flour, 1 egg, and some breadcrumbs. In a bowl, add butter and soften it. Now add parsley, add salt and lime juice, and mix all this together until well combined. Now line a cling wrap and place half of your batter. Give it a rectangular shape and now fold it and keep it in the fridge. Now cut the chicken in half. Now place one piece of the chicken on a cling wrap and cover it with one. Mash the chicken in this motion using a tenderizing tool or any hard surface until it's flat. When it's done, season it with salt and pepper. Now place the cheese slice. Top it with some mozzarella cheese. Place the butter and now roll it. Now secure this with a toothpick. And do the same at both the corner ends. Season it with salt and pepper. Now season the flour, breadcrumbs and egg with salt and pepper. Now coat the chicken nicely in flour. Dip it in the egg. And coat it nicely with breadcrumbs. Now fry these on medium heat. Flip them over. And now take them out and put them on a cooling rack. These will go in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for half an hour. Once they are done, take them out and cut them into halves. Serve them hot. I hope you like the recipe. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.